What can you do to boost your Lean Six Sigma career? So if you are a continuous improvement professional or want to be a continuous improvement professional, what can you do to help your career go in the direction that you want it to go? I don't know what that direction might be, but how do you boost your CV or your resume or just your skills so that you can be a better Lean Six Sigma professional or continuous improvement professional? I'm Amanda Zimmerman. I am a continuous improvement mentor, and I've been helping people all over the world make Lean Six Sigma possible, practical, and easy. Now, for me myself, I have had several career changes. I have had several industry changes, which sometimes in continuous improvement can be really challenging. So the first thing that you want to identify is whether or not maybe you're starting continuous improvement, maybe you just want to establish this as your career, but maybe you're in continuous improvement and you want to grow or go into a different direction. So the first thing that you'll need to do is to really identify, what do you want, right? This can be something you do as a vision board. This can be a few Post-its. I encourage you to brainstorm, put some Post-its up. I know I have a video on actually how I go through and action some of my goals. That's a good one to check out. But first, get an idea of where you want to go. What are those things that you want to achieve in your continuous improvement career? And it's okay if that's money. It's okay if that's maybe moving into an operations position or management position. This is a tool set. This is a skill set that helps you no matter what position you're in. I don't care if you're working at a cash register or you're the CEO. These continuous improvement tools are going to help you. So regardless of what career path you want to take, whether this is complementing it or on its own, there are opportunities out there. Now let's talk about boosting your CV, boosting your resume, boosting your skills, getting some of those examples out there. So the first thing that you want to do is identify some of the experience you've had. What are some of the problems that you've solved using continuous improvement tools? Can you take that and put that maybe into one sentence for a CV or a resume? Can you actually put some numbers to that? So that's something that you can take with you. And as you go into interviews, you can actually say, I've saved organizations this amount of money, or I've reduced the time it took to do this process by that much. That can be really transformational. And what that demonstrates to people, more than a certification, more than a name of some university that you got your belt at, even more, it says that you can apply the tools and you can make changes. Now that's something that's really the reason that we're doing this, right? So knowing those numbers, knowing some of those examples, I don't care what business you're in, I don't care what work you've done, you have examples of a process that you have looked at that you have improved. Let's talk about waiting. I'm sure there's some time that you reduce the amount of time you have to wait, that you've reduced a defect or a failure that was coming to you. So try to identify some of those opportunities. A good tool to use for this is the CAR model. So I have another video on that if you want to check that out. Now, these are some of the things that I recommend that you do to help boost your Lean Six Sigma career, right? Identify some of those examples and identify exactly what it is that you want to achieve and some of those small steps that you can take to get you there.